most people do after they pressure wash it. They still go over with a hand wash.
Yeah.
If you're a rookie.
Yeah.
We're also in direct sunlight, so kind of want to dry it off pretty quickly. Alright, your car's all clean now, but tell us what's different about it.
Well, I got tired of drivers cutting me off and whatnot, and I didn't have any horns, so I installed some little red things on it. Don't mind the wiring.
You actually have a loom on it? That's nice.
Well, I just use the factory connectors. Yeah. And yeah.
Okay. You got your power and your grounds. I've never heard the red ones in person. My STI had the yellow ones. Do you know if these are called the sharp tones or the super tones? I don't remember which ones I had.
These are, I threw away the box. They're the...
I feel like it's super for the red.
I want to say super.
Yeah, I think it is super tone. Just honk it.
Oh, my battery's disconnected.
Oh. Alright, honk it. Jesus. Do it again.
One more?
Okay.
For the people.
That's loud. With the hella horns, they don't sound that loud when you're in the car, but when you're standing in front, it like pierces your ears.
Yeah. Play it for me so I can hear it.
Play it, run it back.
Yeah.
You gotta push your thing hard.
It's the two side buttons. Ow, Jesus. Okay. Holy.
Yeah, from the back, you don't really hear it that much, but it projects so much outward that...
Physics, people, physics.
Like, it makes your ears ring.
Yeah, that's... Ouch.
Alright, what else is with your car? Well, the battery's plugged in. You might as well show us the rear. Alright, so give us a startup and then just tell us what's on the car after.
So, recently went to Super Tuning, located in San Fernando Valley. I did cut the cat, 2.5-inch piping with, it was like a little baby resonator by Vibrant, and then a Vibrant muffler. Yeah, 2.5-inch, and then dual tip for more stock look.
Yeah, it does look pretty OEM, but it looks nice. That's what I want for the S13.
Yeah.
Something like that.
So they did whole like custom bends and everything.
Yeah, so it's not a bolt-on kit.
No.
It's a custom work.
Yeah.
And just a reminder, it does have the H23 swap. So if you guys follow me on Instagram, you probably know that I'm selling the STI. I still have it. It's just not here right now. It's listed for sale somewhere, visible. So yeah, I have the S14 right now, the S13, which is behind Matthew. And if you guys also follow me on Snapchat, you might know that I've been looking very seriously at a Miata. I should actually be getting it as soon as the STI sells, so I'll give you guys more information on that once I have it, because I don't actually have it yet. On the S14, it's still all stock, haven't done anything. I know it's been like 2 weeks since I last uploaded a video. Haven't done any upgrades to either cars actually. Just working on them, cleaning them up. So I just got this pressure washer. If you look at the ground, you can see all this grease that was underneath the car. So I have to clean up the street a little bit. Yeah, it looks a lot cleaner under the car now, so that's cool. You trying to run it? Trying to run it back?
I already did that one.
We don't hear your belts anymore.
Pretty sure it's my timing belt at this point.
Pretty windy up here, but Matthew just did a run up Piuma. Just getting him out to the canyons and driving a little bit more.
Yeah.
Okay, you're driving. But that's still fine. Give it a blip, a throttle blip. This is actually the first time I've had the S14 up on jack stands in the air. And just to show you guys one of the things that drew me to this car, look at the underside of it. The frame rails aren't crunched in. There's no rust. Obviously there's some leaks, but what 240 isn't leaking? But yeah, the underside is just so nice. But yeah, speaking of leaks, both of my steering rack boots are completely torn. This side, it's hard to show, but it's right here. You can see it's split. And then on this side, it's on the outer portion, and my rack might be leaking as well. Or that might just be water, I'm not sure yet. But yeah, so that is my objective, is to replace both boots and the outer tie rods on both sides of the car. So obviously it's time to replace this. It has a lot of play. The actual ball joint can flex in the head of the tie rod, which is not good. So we have a new one. Alright, so the driver's side on the S14 is complete. I'm going to quickly do the passenger side, then do a self-alignment using toe plates. So right now I do daily drive this car, and I notice on the freeway at certain speeds that my steering wheel is shaking a lot. It probably has to do mostly with those crappy BBS rep wheels. But I do notice a lot of the rubber underneath the car is in really bad condition, as expected with an older 240. So that's just what I'm going through. I'm replacing a lot of the suspension components right now, and eventually we'll move on to the bigger stuff. But right now, just gonna do what'll make a big improvement. And then I still want to focus on the S13 and looking to do some motorsport events. Cool, so I just finished the self-alignment. I did it pretty much to exactly 0 actually. Okay, so before I end the video, I just wanted to mention, if you guys follow me on Snapchat, you would have seen that I did mention this random NB Miata. I even showed a photo or a video of it. I am really looking at a 1999 Miata. It looks pretty promising. I think I am gonna get it. That means I might have 4 cars for a couple days. Hopefully the Subaru sells pretty soon. But I do plan to keep both 240s and this Miata. Just to give you guys a little bit more about it. It's a 1999, so it's the first year of the NB Miata. It does have a 6-speed transmission manual, of course. It has 59,000 original miles. That's the main reason why. It's been garaged literally its entire life. The previous owner had 3 cars. It was a Bentley, I believe a Mercedes sedan, and the Miata. And the Miata was the one in the garage. The Bentley and the Mercedes stayed outside. 2 older white males were the 2 previous owners. So I'll be the 3rd owner of that car. And I'm getting it for a really good deal. It's through a mutual friend of my parents, kind of. Anyways, I will keep you guys updated on what's going on with that. I do want to sign up for an autocross pretty soon, coming for the S13, and film a couple more pure sounds with that. Matthew's new louder Prelude, and this S14, while it's still completely stock, I think pure sounds with a stock car is still kind of cool, so we'll see how it goes. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you in the next video. Make sure you hit that subscribe button if you have not, and peace out.